fake hug. She got that from. That's getting his chi up.
Where's Brendan's blacks?
Thank you very much, sweetheart. Thank you. Oh, you can have it back. There you go. Thank you. Oh, that's okay.
Just teasing you, Grandma.
Oh, you're being a stinker. Thank you.
I like your blacks,
Have it
Brendan.
back, sweetheart. It's okay. Here's another one. There's another one.
Good job, Brendan. Did Grandpa wash his hands?
I did what I can.
I just mean you could have like blowed your nose and.
Want me to get a handy wipe or a wipe?
Well, that even I don't think that'll do anything because it doesn't have like antibacterial on it.
Yeah, but it'll still wipe it off.
Sure.
It's too late, honey. He's infected.